look so crazy right now, my eyes, because I just literally woke up. But today is going to be a cooking video. I'm going to be trying to make like an IHOP type of breakfast. So let's get into it. Okay, I got my mix. I think I put too much, but it's okay. I added an egg. I don't know if I'm supposed to crack two, but okay guys, this is the mix. Okay guys, I'm using this cook thing because I'm scared to use the stove. Okay, this is the first one. It's so small. Okay, number 2's done. Number 3, I don't know how much I'm making. I still have a bunch left. Okay, I'm currently making the eggs right now. Hey guys, the breakfast ready. It doesn't look like IHOP. I thought we had like sausage, but I guess it's like finished. But now I'm gonna make my drink. Okay, I just made some hot chocolate. I don't have any whipped cream. Okay guys, the food is ready. Let me take a bite. Okay, it doesn't taste exactly like IHOP, but it's good. Anyways, thanks for watching me cook breakfast. We're getting closer and closer to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe if you're new. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.